All right, so Tuckertown. Got Robin over there with his little Predator PDL. Got my awesome Eagle Talon here. My little water shoes, and I got my short Army PT shorts on. So a quick little overview of mine while he's baiting up. I bought this used online for like 350 bucks. Ended up, Mom got me a nice little Lowrance fish finder, the Hook 3, which is exactly what I needed to do. I have the Naqua battery. It's the 12 volt 4.4. Should be able to run my Naqua all day. Once we get to where we're going, which is about 1.2 miles up the river, I'm going to turn it off because we'll be in our secret spot. But instead of drilling too much into the kayak, I got some PVC pipe and just made a little mount for the transducer that if I hit a rock or something, it's going to pop right up. Did end up upgrading the seat a little bit. Do have the Scotty mount up front. Do have my nice little crate with everything I need for the entire day. I'm even going to be trolling an umbrella rig right here for some hybrid bass, and we hear the crappie are hitting pretty good, so you never know. But main target today is going to be some catfish, and we'll have some more video later on. We'll catch up with you in a little bit. Yeah. Don't tell me no. Still got him. It's got to be a decent size. This is my heavy rod. Dude, I've caught saltwater fish that were smaller than this. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. Oh, come on, baby. You coming home? Come on, baby. Hang on, I don't want to pull him too much. Here we go. Yeah! It is a nice channel. He slammed it. Alright, so we moved locations. Right up there. This is kind of back towards the boat launch. We decided as the wind was kicking our butts, and there goes a giant carp jumping up over there. We decided to move locations due to the fact of the wind, and we caught some, and I ended up, I'll show you guys where I'm looking at right now. Right now I got two good keepers. The big one I caught by the island, the other one I caught here when we were taking a little water break. So, two nice big meals right there. And now we got carp jumping all over the place. We got some cheese, and we still got some shrimp, so we're going to see if we can catch something else. And Robin's trying to play catch up with weight. He's got a long way to go. Tends to happen. He may catch more, which he usually does, but he doesn't catch the size. In freshwater anyway. In saltwater he always kills me, but like what we have is, what is this, Kobe? What kind of cheese? We got Kobe cheese kind of cutting up in the little squares and just throwing it on a hook, and I got a little sink weight on there on my little bass rod. I figured if I catch a monster carp, I want to have some fun. But all in all, so far, a very, very successful day. Very easy, cheap. I mean, Robin got a pound of shrimp before we came out. Now I'm here in my little Eagle Talon, getting my butt kicked by the wind, but it's holding up like it always does. Competing against the Predator PDL. But you can tell the wind died down in the main channel a little bit, but still not a bad day. And hopefully we'll catch some more.